Hi, today I've ordered me Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration section. Here we'll see the audio settings, so we can here use the Dolby Audio sound. Just to turn on and turn off this option, you should click on the switcher. Also, you can use all of these options by just use the switchers. Let's go back just to change the volume of the media, call, ringtones, notifications, and alarm volumes. We should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these buttons. Just to turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode, you should click here to this button. We can also here change the settings to allow calls from any people's apps or alarms, to set the schedule of the don't disturb mode, to display options for hiding notifications, and to change the duration for quick settings. Let's go back. Also, we can change the ringtone or on notification and alarm sounds. So to change the media settings, we can turn on and turn off option to pin the media player and to show the media recommendations. To change the vibration and haptics here, so we can use the ring vibration first, then ring gradually. So just to turn on and turn off these options, you should use the switcher, and the same settings to the notifications and alarms and interactive haptics. So just to use all of these options, you should use the switchers. Let's go back, and here we can see also a couple of settings to turn on and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, vibration touch sounds, and to show the icon in vibration mode. So also by the same way, we should tap on the switchers to turn on or turn off these options. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.